Let's check out how to resolve Vokera boiler problems. Vokera boilers are known for their compact design and affordability, but like any boiler, they can run into issues over time. Let's review the most common reasons causing the Vokera boiler problem. First up, the Vokera Vision 30C. Many homeowners report ignition issues and even loud gurgling noises when starting up. In most cases, this comes down to faulty ignition parts that need replacing. But if the culprit is the PCB, or printed circuit board, the repair can be more costly. Either way, this is not a DIY fix. Always call a gas-safe heating engineer for diagnosis and safe repairs. The Vokera Compact 29A often throws up error code 03, which usually signals a fan fault. Fans in these boilers are sometimes prone to premature failure due to lower quality components. The most reliable fix? Replace the fan entirely instead of patching it up. Again, professional help is key here for long-term performance. Next, the Vokera Mynute. If you're seeing error code 73 or 79, that points to a return thermistor fault. This is usually a straightforward repair, just replace the thermistor. However, other thermostat errors could mean more serious temperature limit faults, which will need professional evaluation. Don't ignore recurring errors, get a technician to check them before they worsen. The Vokera Linear 28 can display error code 01 for ignition failure, or error code 03 for fan and flue issues. Sometimes, a simple reset clears the problem. But if the error persists, it's time for a replacement part or an engineer's assessment. Service team can arrange a safe and effective repair visit if needed. One of the most common problems across Vokera boilers is low water pressure, often showing as error codes for O41 or A04. This could mean there's a leak in the system. You can try repressurizing the boiler following the manufacturer's instructions, but if pressure keeps dropping, an engineer will need to trace and repair the leak. A flashing red light is bad news. It usually means ignition failure. Resetting the boiler might help, but if the problem continues, it could point to faulty ignition components or even the gas supply. This is a critical issue that needs urgent attention from a gas-safe professional. A flashing green light, on the other hand, could mean two things: your boiler is simply in standby mode, or it has a faulty hot water sensor. A reset often fixes it, but if the light keeps flashing, the sensor may need replacing. That's when it's time to call in an engineer. If your shower or taps are only giving lukewarm water, the issue may be with the diverter valve, a common problem in Flowmatic and Unica heat models. This valve controls whether heat goes to your hot water or your radiators. When faulty, it often needs repairing or replacing by a technician. In colder months, you might see error codes 92, 93, or 95, which usually point to a blocked or frozen condensate pipe. You can try carefully thawing it with warm water, but if the blockage is persistent, it's best to get professional help to prevent damage. And finally, those unsettling kettling noises like whistling, banging, or gurgling. This often happens due to low water pressure, limescale buildup, or sludge in the system. Bleeding your radiators may help, but in many cases, the system needs a power flush to clear out debris. Frequent kettling should always be checked by an engineer to keep your boiler efficient and safe. Let's find out how to fix Vokera boiler problems. From ignition faults to frozen pipes, Vokera boilers can develop a range of problems over time. While some quick fixes may help temporarily, most issues need the expertise of a gas-safe certified engineer to resolve safely. If you're facing repeated boiler troubles, don't wait. Book a professional repair and keep your home warm and secure. Service team heating engineers can handle all the boiler makes and models, including Vokera. As a professional boiler installer, we guarantee that we will meet the highest standards set by the manufacturer. Click on the link below to book a service team boiler repair. Thanks for watching, and stay warm.